I'm really excited about this. Douglas! Hey, what's up guys, and hey Barbies and Kens. Welcome back to the channel, our channel, and if you're new here, my name is Gab, and today for you guys, we are going to be doing another round, about 10 of them, of Lil Woodzeez blind acorn unboxings. Yes, they are these little colorful acorns, and we are going to be seeing again inside what we get. If you want to see my last video on this, you can go to the link down below and see when we unboxed the house and a bunch of little mysteries for it. I'm really excited about this because I got about 10 of them today. These are the last of Series 5, I believe, from Target. Yeah, Series 5, that's what I was looking for. These are the last ones from Series 5 from Target, my local Target. So I ran and grabbed them before they would be all gone. And just so you guys are aware, if you're interested, I will be selling the little acorns on my eBay, on my Depop, and as keychains, so you should go grab one. There's some already available over there. But yeah, I have so many to open today. I am so freaking excited. So let's just jump right into today's video and let's unbox these. I don't really know which way I want to do these. There's a lot of yellows, so I'm going to start with a yellow one. I'm so excited because I'm hoping, I haven't had duplicates yet. Oh, I might need my X-Acto knife. Nope, there we go. I haven't had any kind of duplicates of the acorns yet whatsoever. And if you guys like these and you rather have them in like packs, you can get a pack of 5, like a family one of different animals for $10, which is like really not bad. And the acorns are only between $2 something and $3, which is really, really cheap for a blind item. Well, it just flew out. So inside, it just gives you the paper that shows how to make them start. These are from the series of light up animals. So they are baubles and light ups. This is the list. I'm hoping everyone comes with a list, by the way, if you've never seen this before. And I'm hoping that this yellow one is an animal that we don't have yet. He's so cute! Look at him! Oh my god. So we got the pig. I did not get the pig yet, but I've been wanting the pig. We should probably go over which ones I'm looking for too, for today's unboxing. So I'm still looking for the full size. There's a full size duck. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for the moose. I'm looking for, we got the piggy. I'm looking for the cat, Carl. I have him in baby version. He's very cute when we opened little baby ones last time. There's this like blue jay and he's amazing looking. I think that one's like really interesting. Otter's very cute on here. Also, again, if you guys don't want to unbox these, but you want your own, check out my Depop and my eBay. Links are down below because I'm selling Lil Woodzeez that I don't like. Some of them I just don't care for. Let's do one more yellow. So then there's 2 of each. Yeah, there's 2 of each then. So we'll do this other yellow. People just did not want the yellow acorns for some reason. And it's nice that they have like a little lined pull tab. It's just hard for me to find at first. There we go. Okay, so let's do this one. We are hoping for the moose. I mean, there's a bunch of really cute ones. I didn't think of like how many duplicates I would get though when I was grabbing all these. Ooh, I forgot the panda. Can we put the panda on the list? Also, there's a turtle that looks like it could be some like form of frog. I also would love that. So let's open another one. And in this blind bag, we got... Aw, she's very cute. And she's blue and white lights up. This is the bulldog, and it is Betty Bulldog. And she, I think, is ultra rare. So that is awesome. So we got the ultra rare bulldog. So that's really cool. And I actually might keep her because she's really cute. And she's like a little sparkly on there. They all have different like rare, not rare. I get what I get. Sometimes though, if I get duplicates, I look and then I'm like, oh, like the mini brands. I remember I got a golden Pez and that was worth like $45 just from a $10 round ball. So look up your stuff if it says rare. Even if you don't care like I do, sometimes, you know, it could be something. Let's do the little green one next. We have this green acorn. I still have them all sitting here with me. I'm just like looking off the colors. I love green. That's why I was like, we'll do green next. There we go. They always slip out of my hand because they're so like slippery, the plastic. All right, let's see who we're gonna get next. Again, I'm hoping I get one of the ones on the list. The raccoon's really funny looking. Its head is like massive. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum! He's cute! And he lights up. Good. I got one from my last video and he didn't light up. His head wants to turn left though, but I want it to be straight. Look at him. We got this little reindeer looking guy. It's a deer named Dion. Very appropriate for him. So we got that. And you know what? At the end of the video, I might just show these in my Lil Woodzeez house because I already have a bunch in the house. So I might just show you more in the house. Let's see. Let's do pink next. I'm really happy about not having repeats. Like, I'm not going to die if I have a repeat. I'll just put it on my eBay. But, like, I don't want repeats. Ooh, I caught that in the air. Skill. All right, here is the next one. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Da, 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 da. Repeat. I think I just talked that one into existence, though, because I was like, I don't mind if we get a repeat. So I already have this one. I'm not even going to pull out the little thing to make it light up because I'm going to resell this one on my stuff. But we got the little cow. He was my first one I ever got when I did these unboxings. I did it for I got one and I put it up onto my TikTok because I was like, oh, I'll get like, I think I bought 2 of them because I didn't know what they were. And I was like, I'll try them out, see if I like them. Fell in love with them, obviously. So yeah, he was my starter. He's like a Pokemon. And we're going to put him in a yellow shell and he will be up for sale. Okay, so we just did pink. So let's do this blue one. This was like hiding underneath my freaking leg. So many still to get through. We only did 4. Okay, so let's see who our 5th one is going to be. Crack it open. Take it out. I really, really, really hope it's not a dupe. We're going to find out. Yay! This was one of the ones I wanted. This is that little cat, like I said, and you'll see at the end of the video. I actually already have this cat in like a little baby form. So now I have him in this form, and that's Carl the cat. I'm kind of excited about collecting these because I collect older toys and stuff like that. I don't really do newer ones. I got a couple of the Monster High dolls. I think even the one I sold, because I was like, oh, I'm going to do that like those other people, and it just never happened. But Lil Woodzeez, I am dedicated. We got them in the house. I've been going back to check recently. Like, I'm dedicated to the Woodzeez family. So I'm kind of excited to see this grow because I never thought I'd do a collection like this. But here we are. Let's do this yellow because that's the last double. And then we have all single colors of blue, pink, green, and yellow. Where's the little tabs? I still really want a panda. If I got a panda today, I'd be very, very, very excited. And no regrets because, like I said, I bought the rest of the box from Target. So, you know, it's not like I'm missing out on a special one. I wish I could find the rip for this one. Come on. Did they not? Oh. All right, I found the tear finally. So let's open this one up. I was gonna like make it fly off, but it didn't work that way. I keep keeping these like really nice and closed because in case, you know, I get dupes or I want to sell any. There's that. Okay. Let's see who we're gonna get. I love him, but I don't think I have him. Stop. Look at it. Look at his little head. I love dogs, by the way. That's why I'm freaking out. Look at his big head. Who is this? Who are you? Ditto the Dachshund. He's adorable. Or Ditto, probably. Not Ditto. Ditto? Ditto, not Ditto. Oops. But look at it. I'm so excited because I only got one duplicate I don't really care about. Like, this is exciting stuff to me today. I am pumped. Let's do another one. let's rip through these. I'm just like ecstatic, as you can see. Really? This one's... That just flew across the room and it hit all the ones I had lined up and now they're all going off. Okay, let's see who we get next in our little blind container. Let's hope it's the Panda. I'm still on that. I don't know if I like him. That's why I'm quiet. I'm like, who are you? Who are you? Shiny the Sheep? Okay, I hate his name, and I'm not a fan of Shiny the Sheep, but that's what he looks like. We are going to put him back in. I love that, like, the minute I see them, I'm like, if I don't like them, canon them. Yeah, but that's okay, because sometimes, too, you have to see some of the characters. If people are looking for them, they'll pay more than, you know, $3, what you buy them for. But I don't like the sheep. Maybe you do. If you do, you should come snatch him off my page. How do I close this? There we go. I've opened enough of these. I should know. Okay. There is that one. So, not a duplicate, but not one that I wanted. So, it's okay, though. And did I put him in a green bag? I did, and he is in little paper. Good. Let's do, we have 3 more colors. Doug, what color should I do? Yellow, green, or pink?
Green.
We're doing green. I want a panda. I want the panda or the moose would be great. I even thought about buying the moose on eBay and I'm like, we will find her. There we go. That's what I was trying to do in the last one and that one finally, if they're not like, some of them will pop like that, some of them won't. It's the plastic. Okay. Anyways. Please, no doubles. Oh, wow! This is such a bright color. And some of them have this like sticky stuff, I don't know, from like making them or whatever, like on their beaks in different parts, like, but it comes off. I was like, is that dirty mark? This looks like, I don't even know, and I don't want to pull the thing out because I'm thinking about selling it because I really wanted the blue jay and not the cardinal. Yeah, it's a cardinal. It's super cute. I have to think about this one if I'm keeping her or not, so I'm not going to pull her thing. But that's an interesting looking one. Like, that's very pretty. I'm going to put a shell aside just in case for that one. Okay, 2 more. I'm going to go with pink because we had a million yellow ones. And I am someone who likes pink. Where is the tab? There it is. Okay. So maybe, I mean, we got one of the birds, which was kind of cool. But come on. Open! Got it. Will it do it again? Was that a one-time? Woo! I was like, was that a one-time thing? Flies across the room. Okay, who do we... Stop! I can see it through the bag! I can see it through the bag! Oh, I thought it was the panda. I swore it was the panda for the bag because I saw that on it. Come on. I mean, I'm really excited about the duck. We wanted the duck. Did I not want the duck? Doodle's the duck. I told you I wanted Doodles, but he has like a little tie on. He's adorable, but I thought he was the panda. I literally just got so excited, and I have the like little baby duck too, so those will look really cute together. Very excited about the duck. This is the final one, guys. This is the final countdown. This is all or nothing. If I get the moose, I want the panda the most. I want the moose, and then I really want that blue jay. So knowing me, I'll probably get one that I didn't ask for, so... Pop it open. Panda, 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 panda. No. Oh, she's kind of cute, though. This is the otter, I believe. Our final one is the Oka Otter. She's kind of cute. She has a dress on. I like her. I don't know if I want to keep her, but I think she is really cute. And I love the outfit and the little flower. We did not find the blue jay, but we found the deer, which was cool. Or the freaking panda yet, but we found the cardinal, and we found the cat. Wow, I think we did pretty well today. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I'm going to show you right after I'm done blabbing here my house and them in it. And if you're interested in one of the ones that I'm selling, please check out my social medias to purchase. If you guys want me to do series 6, or I could try to find like the series 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but they might be harder to find, I don't know, and even more expensive, but I'll see what I can do if you want me to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next. Bye, guys.